Amy Pulver here, independent life insurance agent working for you. Today I want to talk about term life insurance. When you're still working and you're young, or you have a lot of debt, like a mortgage, car payment, credit cards, you have small kids at home, you want to make sure that if something happens to you, that your family can provide for your children, that your family isn't going to have to move, that they're not out on the street. So term insurance is a very affordable and wonderful way to protect your family. However, a fact that the insurance companies don't want you to know is that about 95% of term policies are never going to pay out. Why is that? Because most people outlive the term, or for some reason they just stop making their payments. Well, let me ask you something. If you could pay a 20-year $200,000 term policy for 20 years, you outlive the term, and you could get back every penny of premium that you paid over those 20 years, you could get that back in one lump sum, would that make you a little bit more invested, a little more willing to keep your policy? You have to keep it the whole 20 years, but when you live 20 years in one day past the term, you get every penny in premium back that you paid in. Why would an insurance company do this? Well, as an incentive for you to keep the policy, for one thing, because you need that protection. $200,000 mortgage, $200,000 life insurance policy. 3 little kids at home, maybe you need a $350,000 life insurance policy. But if you pay on a regular term policy and you outlive the term by one day, a regular term, all that money is gone. Yes, you can convert it to a whole life policy, but for most people at that time it becomes unaffordable. So I recommend a term policy with a return of premium rider. Not all carriers offer this. I am contracted with several carriers that do, and I can find you the best rate for what you qualify for. At the end of the term, let's say your premium is $50 a month, and at the end of the term, you're owed back $20,000. But you still want to keep some insurance for your family in case something were to happen, your final expenses, your funeral, burial. You could take that $20,000, buy a single premium whole life policy to guarantee that your final expenses are covered. You can use the entire $20,000. You can use $15,000 to do that. You can use $10,000 to do that. But either way, it's your money, and you stop making payments, and you have $20,000 back in your pocket. And God forbid, if something were to happen to you during the term, your family would still be protected with the amount of coverage that you purchased for the period of the term. $100,000, $150,000, $200,000, whatever it is that you need to protect your family. So don't end up empty-handed. Consider all of your options. Give me a call, 913-669-2096. I would love to help you. Have a great day.